Across Indonesia, you will find different foods in every single city. And as we went to Bandung, we found a market here that has some incredible food to try. The market is called Sudirman Street and is well known in Indonesia for some of the cheapest and best tasting street food here you can find.
What do you think about this dessert?
It's good. Very interesting, chocolate and cheese. So we're here at Sudirman Street, and there's an inside portion, and then there's also this really big street here that has even more. It's like, I don't know, probably a mile long. It's really, really big. So many places on both sides for food.
Excited to try.
Excited to try out? Yeah. So this is Sudirman Street here, one of the really best street foods. You can go here in Bandung for just so many different kinds of street food here, and it's nice. There's a lot of options to choose from. Alright, so we're about to try the first dish of the night. This is a ayam what do you say? Lombok?
Lontong kari ayam.
Lontong curry ayam.
It's
really
lontong is
tasty.
a rice cake.
Rice cake?
This is a chicken curry.
Ah.
So chicken curry with a rice cake.
Chicken curry with the rice cake.
Yeah. Good.
Good too. From the rice cake. This is the rice cake.
It's really tasty.
The curry is very strong, like a coconut flavor, you know.
So you like it?
Oh my goodness, it's
Let's
good.
go.
Really, really tasty.
Nice.
Well, that first dish we had was really incredible, and now we're off to find our second dish here of the night. We're trying the banana pisang chocolate cheese. And what do you think of this?
Good, but don't eat every day.
Yeah, this is like diabetes, but yeah, it looks very sweet. Good? Interesting, the chocolate and cheese. It's like pisang goreng, but not the dough, so it's not fried. But banana is very soft, you know? Very tasty, and like the very sweet. So yeah, I like it. For me, like a 7 out of 10, but I like the flavor. And just don't eat every day because you get really fat. So Sudirman Street has an inside and outside. This is like the inside area of the food court. But if you go towards the outside, walk through this area, that's where more of the like local food is. So there's still good food everywhere, but yeah, it's a really big area. So don't just stop when you get here. Keep walking. Alright, so now we're trying siomai, and it's like sauce, peanut with fish fried dumplings. Really good. So the siomai was really good. It was worth it. But you do get a really big portion, so yeah, it's best if you come here with a few people so you can share and just try as many things as possible. You can just share all these dishes. You can try to not have too much rice, so you can just focus purely on the snacks and the really good street food here. Alright, so this is the last dish of tonight, called es telur. And yeah, this is like a sweet mix of everything in here, so it's really good.